Oh, oh, shit. Look at the size of that thing.
Thank you. Dude, seriously? That sucker comes running. Holy shit, that thing can run. Yeah, run away, little bitch.
Wait, I'm not stepping on that. It's too big. Kill it now. Nobody else should have to experience this.
You realize if you don't kill it, we'll pick it up with your mouth.
Get in there and get it. Oh no, it's gone. Oh shit. Oh, it's over there. We should leave.